Hi, today's experiment is called So Many Liquids, So Little Time. For this experiment, you're going to need 3 strips of the litmus paper that you made in the earlier experiment, and you'll also need your pipette. From home, you'll need 3 separate liquids. I've chosen lemon juice and vinegar and vanilla. I also have a glass of water so that I can rinse my pipette in between each use. Simply take some lemon juice and put just a couple of drops on one piece of the litmus paper and watch what happens. Notice it changing color? Now just rinse the pipette well. And now I'm going to check what happens when I put the vinegar in. Seems to be changing color again. One more rinse, and then we'll try the vanilla. Here we go.